Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a registered Connect IPS ID and an active mobile number tied to your bank. Once done, install the official Connect IPS mobile app and grant notification and location permissions so the app can verify your device. Next, open the app and choose Sign In or Register. Enter your Connect IPS ID and the OTP sent to your phone. This begins the secure device binding process. Do this now to proceed to linking your bank accounts and authorizing transactions. Once you've signed in, tap Add Bank to connect an account. Select your bank and follow the on-screen flow, usually an OTP to your bank-registered mobile or redirect to internet banking for consent. Make sure to verify account details and complete the micro-authentication step if prompted. After successful linking, establish a 4-6-digit mobile PIN or enable fingerprint/face unlock. This authorizes future payments. You do this so payments are fast, secure, and require just one confirmation. To complete a payment, choose Pay or Send within the app, enter beneficiary details and amount, then confirm with your PIN or biometric. Once submitted, monitor the transaction status and history. Successful payments show a confirmation and reference ID, save or screenshot it. If a payment fails, first check your mobile network, bank transfer limits, and that the app is updated. If still stuck, clear app cache, relink the bank, or contact bank support with the reference ID. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.